Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy, Roll 100, and I'm back with another video for you. Ooh, we got a good one today. So, hey, stick around, stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, you probably want to. If you already subscribed, then you already know I'm coming with it. Shout out, Grind gang. Let's go. So what do I think are some of the best app-based on-demand jobs? I'm going to say what I consider some of the best app-based on-demand jobs are DoorDash, Postmates, Amazon Flex, Instacart, Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, Grubhub, and TaskRabbit. And I probably left out one. You know what I'm saying? Amazon Flex. But what I'm saying is all of these app-based gigs can be worked to your advantage. One of the questions I keep getting asked over and over again is, which one should I do? See, I can't even answer that question. I wish I could. It's not like people hitting me on Instagram, hit me, and I appreciate it. I'm trying to get back to everybody, but I can't answer that question, which one you should do, because then it's all based on your setup. Like, what setup do you have? What city are you working in? How busy are these apps that you're choosing to go through and download on your phone in your city? Like, do some research. When I wanted to start doing app-based gigs, I started researching what people were having success with, what people were having failures with, and why they were having successes and failures with those particular app-based gigs, because I know that right now in 2019, 2020, app-based, this is it. This is the wave of the future. This is now trending for people to have an opportunity to work for themselves. But you need to really take it serious and work for yourself. Set strategies, set business strategies and schedules for yourself in order for this to work out to your advantage. So I can never answer which app works best for you, because you may be in Chicago, you may be in Florida, you may be in Wisconsin, you may be in California, Maine, and where you are, maybe Instacart is the shit. Maybe Instacart is the whoo, you know what I'm saying? But maybe DoorDash is not. So I can't tell you, yeah, man, jump on the DoorDash bandwagon. I don't know. Where I am in Northeast Ohio, all of the apps that I named, they all pop. All of them. So the next question I get is, how do you know which app-based gig will work for you? The only answer I have for that is go out and give it a try. Find out. Do the research. Check out some people on YouTube and see what they do. And last, what I want to talk about is what resources are available to you. What skills, you know what I mean? So this is a question I have that you should ask yourself as part of your checklist when working app-based gigs. What resources are available to you? What skills do you possess? What knowledge do you have that you can apply to these different app-based gigs? Example, if you work Lyft or Uber, do you have the mentality where if you're working in one of those cities where you might be doing a drive that costs good money, that you'll be able to get out the car, open the door for somebody for them to get in? Do you feel like talking to people? Are you one of those people that like to talk to people while they drive? If you don't, then being a success at Uber or Lyft is going to be very difficult if you can't do that. I'm not saying you can't make money, but being a success is going to be difficult. You don't like carrying people's groceries beyond their doorstep. You don't like servicing people beyond what they paid for. Then you probably don't want to do Instacart, because you're going to get those situations where people want you to go beyond what you're getting paid to do. And yes, a lot of those people will tip you. But what happens when somebody doesn't? When they say, hey, son, would you mind grabbing that trash for me on the way out? And you like, man, what the Y'all thought I was going to do it. You know I don't cuss on this channel. But hey, you feel me? If you do Instacart, you probably had a situation like that before already. Now, if you quit or if you were upset, I mean, you got the right to feel how you want to feel, but you're servicing people. And sometimes you're in a situation where, I mean, now, if it's somebody that's fully capable and you see them and they like, yeah, could you grab that trash? You be like, yeah, all right, man. You know what I mean? But, you know, if it's an elderly lady or somebody's handicapped or somebody's living alone and they say, hey, would you mind? You know, then cool. Why not? You know what I mean? I would want somebody to take care of my grandparents or something like that. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like, no, old lady, take your own trash out. You feel me? Like, if it's not really a big deal, it ain't a big deal. But no, you don't get paid to do that. But that's service. So another thing, if you don't like to service people, then Instacart might not even be your thing. You don't want to shop, you don't want to go and have people telling you that they don't want this and they don't want that, then you might not want to do Instacart. Trust me. You feel me? If you don't want people complaining about the food was wrong, then you might not want to do DoorDash. You might not want to do any food delivery service, because it's going to be somebody going to say the food was wrong, and it's going to be your fault. As the delivery driver, it'll be your fault according to the customer, but really, you know, you had nothing to do. You didn't make the food, but that's how it is sometimes. So these are things that you have to deal with. I'm just naming just general stuff that goes on in these different app-based gigs that everybody wants to do. And I usually see a lot of people complaining about this small stuff, which, I mean, you know, I'm not saying it's not annoying. I'm saying, like, if it bothers you, then diversify. What skills do you possess? What can you do? If you do TaskRabbit, you can be a lot more successful if you have a lot of skills. Not just moving skills, but if you have that, people might hire you to move. If you have building skills, you can build IKEA furniture for people, and they pay more for that. You know what I mean? So it just depends. I'm going to talk to you guys about using your brain. So I have a graphic design background, so there's a lot of things that I do with that I'm trying to further myself in, that I might be able to help some of you guys with if you're watching my channel. So it's just like, listen, it's so many ways to platform, to put yourself on another platform, another plateau. Lyft. You might not want to talk to people, but trust me, you can make money with Lyft. I made quite a bit with Lyft, and I only drove Lyft 2 months this year, January and February. And I'm periodically hearing out just to keep my account on crisp. You feel me? So if you like talking to people, you like just picking up, dropping off all day, Lyft or Uber, that might be for you. I'm trying to expand these businesses to where we drive, and then guess what? We drive less and we get paid more. That's the goal for 2019, to drive less, get paid more. Drive less, get paid more. Drive less, get paid more. How we gonna do that, Ro? Man, we finna talk about it. If it ain't a way already, we finna create one. We're gonna drive less and get paid more for 2019. Real talk. That ain't a resolution. That's just what's happening. If y'all with me, grind, gang. So now we talked about what resources that'll give you an edge in this app-based gig economy. Whatever resources you have, put them to use. If you still unsure, continue to educate yourself. Man, the world, look, you can educate you can look online and educate yourself, bruh, sister, whoever watching, you can educate yourself. Believe me. You can go back to college if you want to. Maybe you already in college. Shout out to all my college students taking advantage of what I'm telling them. Shout out to my college students over 21 because I know some of them can't do it, and I apologize because I had a couple of guys that wanted to do DoorDash or something like that, and they couldn't do it because they wasn't 21. So I'm sorry, but on your 21st, y'all can get this money too. But shout out to my college students doing DoorDash, Postmates, Uber Eats, and all that, man. Shout out to y'all. Be careful out there, man. I know y'all young, y'all getting this money, y'all enjoy it. Please don't be riding around with no money. Be safe. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the college students. Grind gang. Super shout out to y'all. Shout out to my daughter. She in college right now too. Grind gang. When y'all take over the world, we want y'all to be doing this already, not trying to do it like we doing it right now. Shout out to the college students. Shout out to the kids. You feel me? All the kids, not just mine. I got 5. Shout out to your kids. So if y'all not showing them how to diversify, they might be stuck in a whirlwind of doing the same thing over and over again until they die. So that's real. Show them how to diversify. All right. What did I have for y'all? I be wanting to talk about so much stuff. So, I gotta look at my notes right quick because I gotta look at my iPhone right quick, man. I ain't gonna lie, because I try to remember everything that I want to talk to y'all about. Sometimes I can't remember. This app I use on my iPhone, man, I don't know how you can benefit depending on what you're doing, but I'm gonna talk to you guys about this. This is a good app to keep organized on too. If you want to know about this app, if y'all want to know how I stay organized and pre-plan my videos for you, then follow me. First of all, everybody need to follow me on Instagram. Your boy, Roll100. I'm gonna put it right here. I love doing that now. Y'all like, man, he just now. So what? I'm having fun with my channel. Let me tell y'all, this is my top on-demand jobs. Lyft, Deliv, Amazon Flex, TaskRabbit, Instacart, Postmates, DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, Grubhub, Roadie. And if y'all want to do Uber and Uber Eats, because I don't think I said them, y'all can do that too. But I don't really do Uber or Uber Eats. So it wasn't for me. You feel me? But anyway, it's your boy, Roll100. I just brought some action. Hey, I just want to say, shout out to everybody that follow me here. Man, without y'all, I would be nothing. Understand this. We just do this and share inspiration, share hustling tips with each other so that we can come up. And listen, man, I'm going to make a video. Well, actually, I already made the video, but you won't see it probably for another week because I got some other videos dropping. I made a video which really talks about the inspirations and some of the people that I watch on YouTube. And I want y'all to follow these same people. And some of the people that I really don't even watch on YouTube, but I want y'all to follow them because they starting to come up and they want people to follow them. And so we trying to create a wave of people just supporting each other for 2019, for real, man. All this, so, well, you doing and this person do that, I can guarantee you it's probably, I don't know, it's probably 1,000 people that make Instacart videos and DoorDash videos and getting money and grind game videos, but not no grind game videos, but it's probably some people that make videos about hustling, but I'm saying it's no channel like this one though. So I don't feel like I'm in competition with anybody else's channel. Matter of fact, I love watching other people's channel. I don't watch myself, I watch other people. Wait till I unveil all the people and I want you to follow every last person that I tell you to follow. Male, female, different cities that I'm in. I even follow 1 or 2 people in my own city, so yeah. Check it out. Anyway, you already know, I do it so you don't have to. It's your boy, Roll100, and remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace.
Ain't fucking nothing about this sweet. Ain't nothing but money around there. See me while I'm out here pounding these streets and